Can I install the flooring by myself, or do I need Creative Floors for installation? We certainly sell a lot of flooring for do-it-yourselfers or people that have a contractor that they're working with. We do that all the time, but we do provide installation as well if need be. We have wonderful installation teams for every type of product, whether it's carpet, hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl plank. We have professional teams that will work for us. The beauty of if we do your installation is you have a 2-year installation warranty, number one. Number two, if you ever have a problem with the flooring, the first question the manufacturer is going to ask is, did we install the flooring for you or did they do it themselves? Very important to that manufacturer because they know if we did it, it was done professionally and by the manufacturer's guidelines. When a do-it-yourselfer does it, they don't know what technique they used, if they followed the manufacturer's guidelines, if they YouTube videoed it, or they just figured it out on their own. So these are very important questions for the manufacturer if ever a claim arises, and we will stand behind the installation if you ever do have a problem down the road. So that is an advantage to having us. You can sleep soundly at night knowing that we're here to stand behind your installation of your brand new flooring. Sometimes if you had a friend or a neighbor install it for you, it may be a little awkward to go to them if you do have an installation issue. Or if you had somebody that you just knew, a friend of a friend that installed it for you and you can't find that person, that would make it awkward for you to go find them and tell them you're having a problem. This way you just come to us, we take care of it, we handle it for you. If it's installation related, we will take care of it. Or if it's a manufacturer's warranty, we also handle that for you too. So it's better to have us install it for peace of mind at night, letting you sleep a little better. But we certainly do sell for the do-it-yourselfers.